Hello everyone, welcome to Decode ITES. This is a single learning platform for multiple IT infrastructure technologies. Do like, share and subscribe our channel to never miss out our videos. Let's continue with the learning. Let's have a small introduction of myself. My name is Prince Garg. I'm having 3 plus years of work experience and worked on Red Hat, VMware, Windows, Google Cloud, PowerShell, Python and Bash scripting. Kindly follow us on Facebook, Insta, LinkedIn, and reach out to us on itesfun.com. Code ITES in the learning series of Linux 8. In this lesson, I will gonna teach you about the Internet Protocol versions. Let's continue. So, what is the history of IP version? Earlier, the design of TCP was struggling to solve two problems at the same time. That how do we establish end-to-end connectivity, or we can say package data, and how do we send that data from one location to another. TCP version 1 was designed in 1973 and version 2 was documented in March 1977. In August 1977, John Postel, who is an American computer scientist, realized they were going the wrong direction with the protocols. Specifically, they were designed or they were trying to use the TCP to do two things: serve as a host level end-to-end protocol and to serve as a routing protocol. These two things should be provided in different layers. Then they decided that a new distinct inter-network protocol is needed. From here, TCP and IP works on different platforms. TCP, which is the protocol number 6, we used strictly as a host level end-to-end protocol on layer 4 of the OSI model, which is Open System Interconnection model, and layer 3 of the TCP/IP transmission control protocol model. Internet protocol be used as a writing protocol at layer 3 of OSI model and layer 2 of TCP/IP model. There were two major predecessor steps before IP formed up: split between TCP and IP, and variable length address were removed, with leaving fixed 4 byte 32 bits and 4 octal addresses. So what are the major versions of IP address? IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 is having 32-bit number with 4 octals and having a limitation to 4294967296 addresses. It is described in RFC 761 in September 1981. It is commonly in use today, and the example of IPv4 is 172.115.56.48. If we talk about IPv6, it's having 128-bit number with 16 octals and having a limitation more than the IPv4. It was developed in 1995 and is standardized as RFC 2460 in 1998. It is not yet widely used, and the example is alphanumeric, as you can see over here. So the IPv4 addresses, which is the most commonly used nowadays. It is also known as the fourth version of Internet Protocol. It is the core protocol that routes most of the Internet traffic. This is a connectionless protocol, which means that the state of the connection is not preserved and the data is transmitted to the receiver without ensuring that the recipient is available or not. IPv4 uses 32-bit addressing, which allows a total number of somewhere around 4294967296 addresses. Some addresses are reserved for public and private networks. An IP address consists of 4 octals, which are separated by a period, which is also known as dotted decimal denotation. For example, IP address represents 4 octals, like you can see in the image below. The address structure is 1 byte, which is equal to 8 bits, we can say, and it's having 4 parts. 32 bits means 4 into 8, or we can say the 4 bytes. 172, 16, 254, and 1. Parts of IPv4 addresses. Each network running on TCP/IP must have a unique network number, and every machine on it must have a unique IP address. It is important to understand how IP addresses are constructed before we register our network and obtain its network number, or we can say the IP address. In this section, we describe you the IPv4 addresses, and the IPv4 addresses is a 32-bit number that uniquely identifies a network interface on a machine. An IPv4 address is typically written in decimal digits, formatted as 4 8-bit fields separated by periods. Each 8-bit field represents a byte of the IPv4 address. This form of representing the bytes of an IPv4 address is often referred to as the dotted decimal format. Bytes of the IPv4 address are further classified into 2 parts, network part and the host part. Following figure shows the component parts of a typical IPv4 address. Like 129.144 is the network part and 50.56 is the host part. The network part specifies the unique number assigned to your network. It also identifies the class of network assigned. As you can see in the above image, the network part takes up 2 bytes of IPv4 addresses. The host part is the part of the IPv4 address that we assign to each host. It uniquely identifies this machine on our network. Note that for each host on your network, the network part of the address will be the same, but the host part must be different. Classes of IP address. This is the last thing which we are going to cover up with the IPv4 addresses. So we are having total 5 classes, A, B, C, and D. Under the A class, the first octal range is from 1 to 126. In the B class IP, we are having from 128 to 191. In the C type class, we are having 192.223. In the D type class, we are having 224 to 239. And in the E type class, we are having 240 to 254. IP addressing range is also mentioned over here. If you can see on the table, it's having 10012, 126.255.255.254. Same as with the B, C, D, and E class of IPv4 addresses. The default subnet mask for type A is 255.0.0.0, and for the B type class is 255.255.0.0. For C type class is 255.255.255.0. Usually, if you see like your Wi-Fi routers at your home place, you can see that there is having C type IP address 192.168.1.1. This is a usual class which TP-Link or Netgear or any kind of Wi-Fi router companies are providing. Also, you can change the same. So this is all about the classes of IP address. I hope you have understood well. If you are having any queries related to IP addresses or IPv4 or 6 versions, you can just reach out to us on its1.com or drop a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment our videos. Also subscribe to our channel.